Hello everyone, today we are milling Chevrolet Apica keys. Now we have original keys, blade and 40 key blank. So let's start it. We click foreign colors button. Click C, Chevrolet. We found Apica. Click. And then we click test the key data button. Insert the original key like the picture described. Insert B1, B2 block and the blade. B1, B2. Insert the original keys. Knob it tight. Move the blade away. Click test the key data button. So we can see the tooth number. Now we use tooth check code function. So we can see the teeth code is V2848. So we compare to the original keys. V2848, it means our key code is correct. And now we click key processing button. We insert the key blank like the picture described. And we use 2-point milling cutter, so cutting. Okay, cutting place. 很亮啊，关了又看不太到。Okay, it's done. Wipe the dust out. And let's have a test. This is Chevrolet's padlock. Very good. Well done.